arms they call home.
So the wind got overmarked. So this is where we parked tonight. Just opposite the Rattler this time. Well, the wind's got hold of my door and shattered it. Trip to Morrison for some cardboard, plastic bag and gaffer tape. Well, just got through security. The grits in the summer. Well, new window installed. Right guys, another weekend. Got two places this weekend for you. Plenty of live music where we're going, so stick around, see what's coming up. She's back. Natasha, say hello. So happy hour on the stack for a pizza between 10 and 11. £5, I get you a large pizza, meat feast. Morning guys, spent the night at Seaburn, went to Snack last night, had a few beers there. You waving? Going to be heading over South Shields and yeah, there's a festival going on over there, so we're going to be hitting that. And yeah, we'll get some footage of that for you.
That, actually look, yours.
That's what I have to put up with. What are you doing, Natasha?
Nothing.
You sure?
Yeah.
Looks like you're putting vodka in a Capri Sun packet.
It's water.
How's water, is it?
Yeah.
Do you know when it called love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms they call home. Do you know when it called love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom.
So this is where we parked tonight. Just opposite the Rattler this time. Gonna go on the grass pitch. £8 all day. It's not too bad. The beach is just over there behind us. Get set up. Looks like the wind got overmarked. Oh well, the wind's got hold of my door and shattered it. Stupid design on these. That did absolutely nothing. And then my window's gone in. I've got to order a new one. Well, trip to Morrison for some cardboard, plastic bag and gaffer tape. That'll do till I get a new window. Well, just got through security. Heading to the festival now. See what it's about. The benches know how to put a spread on.
Living the life, this one.
Straight after here, I'm going to poke him on Facebook. That's right.
Well, that's the end of the weekend. Been a very eventful one. Smashed window, but the festival was okay. Till next time. Well, I managed to get the glass off and the silicone that goes round. That's the window. Alcohol rub on it, ready for primer. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a bead of window seal on and then get this window put in. But looks like I'm going to be doing this all on my own, so hopefully it goes well.